Hello and welcome to How to Login. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can open an attachment on AOL Mail. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Open any type of browser you have on your PC. After that, you can open AOL Mail and log into your account. You will see this type of interface. Go ahead and go to your mail over here and find some emails with attachments. You can see some attachments over here. You can download these attachments quite easily. If you want to download it one by one, you can just hover around the profile and download it, and it will be downloaded. Or else you can see download all attachments as zip file. You can do this if you want to download it at once. So you can do this and both of the files will be downloaded. So as soon as you click it, you can see the zip has been created by AOL Mail and it will be there on your downloads folder or any folder you have edited to. So let's go ahead and open our file over here so you can see the file has been opened, and if you go to enable editing, it will be fully editable. You can edit it and then you can send it to your friends afterwards. So guys, this is how easily you can open attachments on AOL Mail. Firstly, go to AOL Mail, go to the new mail section or any of the mail folders over here, and then find the option over here. So after you go to the mails, so you can see that it will be on the old mail. So there are two types of mail accounts over here. Go to the attachment section over here and you can see the attachments. You can download it one by one, or you can see the download option over here. You can download it all at once by clicking on download all attachments as zip file. I hope this video about how you can open attachments on AOL Mail was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.